Welcome. If you want to join to Android beta program in your ASUS ROG phone free, at the first you have to go for the settings, then scroll down all the way down, move to the system, tap on the system update and tap on the right upper corner of the settings icon. Next we have to move right here to enroll in the beta test program, click agree. Of course we have to read the description, then click to go to the beta program webpage. Of course we have to sign in with our account. As you can see, we are login success. And right now we have to go right here below, read all of this stuff, it's very important. So here we have to click, for the no, because in my case I don't have any of the accessories, that TwinView, dock, NUC, gamepad or professional dock and any other mobile desktop dock. We have to click here and then tap I'm willing to participate in this beta program. And after that all you have to do is just to click to the submit button. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!